Hi, how you doing? My name's Mark Lawhead. I'm from Montana, United States. I'm in Dushanbe. I've been here like 3 days. The last couple of days, a beautiful trip over the mountains to TAJIKISTAN. Went over to the Lake District and came back, flying to Kujan tonight, and then coming back to Dushanbe for a couple more days. Not enough time to see Tajikistan. I'll have to come back again next year, go out east to the Pamir Mountains, see more of the country. I like the this wide range of things to eat. I personally am a meat eater, so there was some really nice kebabs. Can't complain. Very tasty. Tajikistan is the 4th country on my trip. I'm taking 2 months off. I've been to Uzbekistan before this for a couple weeks. Tajikistan, I go to Kazakhstan afterwards, and then back home to Montana. Obviously, Dushanbe is growing. There's construction everywhere. I see cranes on the top of the buildings wherever you look. In a couple years, you won't even recognize this town. It's going to be so much bigger.
Image, videos, memories, so all your journey will take a small close-up and 5-star hotel. Like, for example, so I don't want the customer get, you know.
There you go. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Pleasure meeting you. Pleasure meeting you. I'll see you in Montana, huh?
For sure.
I'm about halfway through my trip at Tajikistan. Ready to catch a plane, domestic plane. I'll be back to Dushanbe to finish up my 8 days in this country. I found Dior Travel, and really nothing but positive things to say about the company. If you come into Dushanbe, use this travel company. And look at the reviews online and you'll see what I mean.